Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. I've got a Harris 230 Grand Mariner on order. If you'd like to take advantage of this boat before it gets here, reserve it before it gets sold, give me a shout. I'll be glad to get you a quote, full details, out the door pricing on it. But let's take a look at the Grand Mariner and show you what it's going to look like. This one's going to be in the midnight blue. We'll have the Delta Tower on it. It's got the black fence rail. Interior colors in desert camel. Good contrast. This one has got the entertainment center on it. Click on this picture and show you. It's got an entertainment bar right here. Single rear lounge seat back here in the back. Captain's chair. Two nice large lounge seats on either side of the front. Let's go back through some more options and show you the Performance Package Level 3. What that includes is larger pontoons. Those are 27-inch diameter tubes. And one of the big things that you get with this is a larger fuel tank. It's like a 60-plus gallon fuel tank as well. So it's got a lot of nice feature there. This one's going to have a Mercury 250 Verado. Plenty of power. Interior lighting package. All the cup holders are lit. The seat bases and rope lighting. It's also got the exterior lights. So it's got 2 underwater lights on the rear pontoons as well as lighting underneath the deck. It's got the convenience package on it, which includes upgraded steering wheel, quick release fender system, flip up cleats, and kick plates. Desert beige flooring. It does have an onboard battery charger. This has got a chart plotter on it as well. It's a 9-inch screen, Simrad. What's unique and nice about this is that you can see all of the data of the engine, what's going on with the engine, horsepower, speed, depth, as well as a fish finder. Has the flip-up bolster for the captain's chair, upgraded table. It's got a Diamond JL Diamond audio stereo system. If you'd like to get this boat, again, before somebody else does, just give me a shout. I'm at 704-997-2168. I'm MarineMax Lake Norman. Jim Pinkham, give me a call.